Kickflip.
I'm Steve O, and it is my honor to be your host for Do a Kickflip on National Do a Kickflip Day.
Let me get a kickflip. You got a kickflip? Hey, bud, nobody's got a kickflip?
Yo, you got a kickflip? Kickflip backside tail slide.
Kickflip? Jackass! Do a kickflip. Weeman here, and I'm in the lovely, beautiful city of Long Beach, California. And I'm looking for someone to do a kickflip. Maybe a skater, maybe a guy on a scooter, maybe a dude in a car. Let's see if he can kickflip his car. You can kickflip that car. You never know. Hey, let me get a Cactus Jack. All right, we're on the hunt for the skateboarders in the wild.
Hey, do a kickflip.
No. Steve-O, I fucking love you, Steve-O, Jackass, yeah!
Jackass, yeah!
All right, let's get this kickflip right here. Yeah! Yeah, dude.
That's bad.
Hell yeah.
That rips. All right, dudes. I'm gonna need you to do a kickflip.
Damn, that car.
I think I'm supposed to be in the car, but I'm bending the rules. You got a kickflip? Take a deep breath and get one that you're real proud of. Yeah, that was sweet.
What kickflip? In the Berrics?
Yeah, the Berrics, man.
No way.
And that's what we're doing, dude.
Bro, what the fuck? Thanks a lot.
Yeah, there you go.
This is my lucky day, man. What kickflip? You playing with me right now. You playing with me right now, bro. Nah, but thanks a lot, bro.
Liquid gold.
What's going on, man?
Oh shit, it's Weeman.
You got a kickflip for me, dude?
Dude, a kickflip?
You got a kickflip for me?
Dude, I got a kickflip.
Hell yeah, buddy.
Here, right here.
Wait,
right here.
on the phone, in his gear, with backpack on, dude's got a kickflip. Oh!
I always wanted to be on this shit.
Hell yeah, I got a t-shirt for you, dude. You got it, brother.
Fucking shred on, dude.
You shred on too, man.
That's my catchphrase.
What's your shred on?
Shred on. Fucking
What's
for
your name,
beeps.
buddy?
Fucking Beeps. Christian Moreno, Beeps.
Beeps. Beeps don't give no fucks, man. Shred on and zero fucks. I'm on the search for a kickflip, man. I ain't got time to worry about red lights, one-way streets, wrong ways. Who cares? Do a kickflip. All right, I'm coming over. I want to see you do a kickflip. Yeah, bro.
I just heard you bought a while back my buddy Shay and TC's parents' house from him.
Oh, hey, you got a kickflip for me, though?
I don't skate like that, I just cruise. I'll try.
You tried. He tried. What's your name?
Brian, man.
Brian?
Yeah.
There you go, man.
Fucking righteous,
Dude, thanks,
dude.
Brian, for trying, dude.
You got a kickflip?
I wish I could kick with my combat boots on.
My combat boots on.
I'll do an ollie for you.
All right.
There you
That's a
go.
sweet ollie.
Is that Johnny? You look like Johnny.
I get that a lot. So you're telling me that if you weren't wearing combat boots,
No,
you got...
dude, I wouldn't be able to do it anyway. I can't even cap. I can't even cap. It's not the combat boots.
What do you mean cap?
Cap. You don't know what cap is?
No, what's cap?
I guess that's like 21 and under. It's like just fake. I can't fake it.
We're filming an episode of Do a Kickflip.
I wish I could do a kickflip and I could be part of that episode. I can't even.
Dude, you got it. We're driving down Melrose right now, and I gotta believe we're gonna find skaters, man. You got a kickflip? Oh, that was dope.
Jackass.
Hell yeah, man. We'll come and do a kickflip in the Berrics.
Okay, let's do it.
Woo! That might have been the best kickflip that you guys have got.
I did a fire ass kickflip for the board. Love you, man.
Dude, best kickflip yet.
Shout out to the Berrics, shout out to Steve O. Y'all know what it is. We on Melrose.
Told you about Melrose. I love it, man. Thank you, guys. I am so stoked on that kickflip. It's absurd. Yo, dude, you got a kickflip?
Switch heel flip, fuck a kickflip.
Uh-oh. Oh!
Steve-O from Jackass. Oh,
You gotta hang that up, dude.
I gave a do a kickflip board to a guy who didn't even do a kickflip. Just a nice guy.
Hey, got a kickflip for me? Yo, I don't want you to skate for free. I just want a kickflip. Check this out.
Oh, that is Weeman.
Yeah.
What's up?
Hey, I got something for you. Oh, he landed one. I got a board for you if you do a kickflip. Oh,
you're Weeman.
Oh, you Weeman.
Berrics do a kickflip, 7-ply carbon fiber board. Your kickflips are gonna be insane now.
For like a million years?
Million years, dude. Hell yeah.
I didn't want to sound like a dick, but people have approached me and just been like, do a kickflip, do a kickflip.
This is for real, dude. T-shirt and it's wax for you, buddy. There you go. All right, dudes.
Stay safe.
You too.
So there, Koston. I need some Nikes, man.
Oh, you need Nikes?
Yeah, I need the Jordan ones though.
I'm gonna call Eric right now.
Yo, dude, you got a kickflip?
Huh?
You got a kickflip?
Got you.
Yeah, he says I got you. Oh. That's what it's all about. Dude, I'm counting that. That looked really good. Congratulations.
I was just watching this today, actually.
Where I come from, a slam is worth just as much as a make, maybe more. You got a kickflip?
No.
Have you tried kickflips yet?
I think I should try for the first time.
You should try for the first time, dude.
Okay, I'll try for you.
You know what, dude? You don't even need to holler your kickflip. You're gonna get through life on your looks, man. You're a handsome guy. Here's a shirt. Next time I see you, I expect a clean kickflip.
I promise, thank you.
Oh, got a chick. Excuse me, can you do a kickflip?
I can't.
Oh, you can't? You don't want to even try?
Very soon.
Yeah, come on, you can try a kickflip. All right, so this is where the skaters are. We're pulling up to Cherry Skate Park. Do a kickflip. Hell yeah. Oh, we go. What? Nobody's got a kickflip for me? Come on. Oh, there we go. What's up, buddy? What's your name?
Josh.
I got something for you. Got you a new set of wheels, bro.
I'm Spencer.
Spencer?
No way.
I got a hat and I got, dude,
Some wax.
real wax.
Dude, that's sick as fuck.
Yeah.
Thank you guys.
You got it,
Have a good one,
Spencer.
alright?
Oh, tread on. Yeah. Hey, you got a kickflip for me? Oh, wait, here he goes. You got a kickflip for me? All right. Got you a hat, bro.
Thank you, man.
You got, what's your name?
Joshua.
Good try, Joshua.
Thank you.
Hey, can you guys do a downward dog kickflip? You got a kickflip, man? Oh, come on, you got one for me. All right.
Yo, dog, you got a kickflip?
We got a fucking free kick. You see that?
All right, dude.
How about a frontside flip?
Dude, let's get it.
Thanks,
Yeah, that
Yuto.
was sick. It's so good to know that skateboarding is alive and well. Santa Monica Courthouse. Kickflip backside tail slide. Guy's a real stickler for the rules. Oh! I'm here to tell this guy to do a kickflip, and watch this. Kickflip back tail. Oh! Dude!
Dude, thank you.
What's up, buddy? Can you do a kickflip for me? Can't do a kickflip? Come on, dude. Hey, can you do a kickflip? Oh! Dang, he did one. I got something for you. Here you go, dude. I got a new board for you. I only rode this board like one day.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you for doing a kickflip, man.
I have one of those.
Well, you have one of what?
I have an EVX.
Oh, you have one of these cameras? Oh, dude, you should give it to me for doing a kickflip. Hey, let me get a kickflip, dude. Oh! What's your name?
Tomo?
Tomo?
Yo, Weenie?
Weeman. I got a new set of wheels for you, dude. Thank you for doing the kickflip, man. That was sick. You got a kickflip for me?
Oh, yeah.
What's it get? Oh! Yeah, dude. Shred on, buddy. You got it.
I'm gonna donate you guys a kickflip of my own.
Hey, so if the boss man can do it,
No kickflip.
so can we. W-E-E. Oh. Do a kickflip.